How to reset forgotten Moomoo account's password. Are you trying to log into Moomoo and you've forgotten your password? If yes, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the Moomoo application on your smartphone. Now in the login screen, type in your user ID or your email and click continue. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter the password. If you don't remember the password, you have an option to reset your password. Simply tap on the Forgot Password link underneath the password box. Now, choose the method you used when signing up for Moomoo. On the next page, enter the credential that you chose. If you've chose email, enter your email address. If you chose phone number, type in your phone number and tap submit. Now go through the verification if prompted. On the next page, enter the verification code sent to you via your provided phone number or email. Open up your email inbox and then click open the email from Moomoo. Now, copy the code inside it. Simply tap on it and tap copy and get back to Moomoo. Paste in the code in the verification field, or you can also manually type it down if you're not able to paste it. After you do that, on the next page, enter a new password you want to set for your account. Finally, click Change Password. Make sure to include the criteria given below. After tapping on Change Password, you will be able to recover your account and reset your password to something else which you can remember later. Tap on Login and enter the newly updated password in the login section. Finally, click Continue, and there you have it. You are back into your account just like that. See, resetting your forgotten Moomoo password isn't scary at all. Just a few simple taps and you're back in action. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.